Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mega folder sync errors in 2026. If your folders are not syncing correctly, files are stuck updating, or you're seeing sync error messages, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent folders from syncing properly with the cloud. Next, open the Mega application and confirm that folder synchronization is enabled. Sometimes sync settings may be paused or accidentally disabled. Now verify that the folder you're trying to sync still exists in its original location. Moving or renaming a synced folder can trigger synchronization errors. Next, check your available Mega storage space. If your account has reached its storage limit, new files may stop syncing. If the problem continues, pause the affected sync and then resume it. This can refresh the synchronization process and clear temporary issues. Now review the files inside the folder for unsupported characters, extremely long file names, or damaged files that could be causing conflicts. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Mega desktop application. Updates often include fixes for sync-related problems. If you're using antivirus software, a firewall, or a VPN, temporarily disable them and test the sync again to rule out software conflicts. Now restart the Mega application and allow it to reconnect to the servers and rebuild the sync status. Finally, if the error remains, remove the affected sync folder and set it up again from scratch. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Mega folder sync errors. Your folders should now synchronize properly across your devices and cloud storage. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.